So our question is fx is equals to cos x plus 2. Then does f inverse exist? We need to check whether this function cos x plus 2 is invertible or not. Can we find the inverse of this function or not? As we know that we can find the inverse of any function if that function is bijective. Bijective means 1 1 on 2, class 11th concept. If a function is 1 1 and on 2, then only that we can find the inverse of that function. First we will understand what is 1 1 and on 2. This is a pictorial representation of 1 1. Let's say one function is defined from a set to b set. Name that function as a f. If all the element of that function a, we will understand the function 1 1 first. Let's say function f is equals to x plus 3. So image of 1 is 4, image of 2 is 5, image of 3 is 6. Then each and every element of domain set having the unique image in the codomain set, but all the domain element must have the image in the codomain set. So we can say 1 has only one image 4, 2 has only one image 5. So this diagram is typical diagram for 1 1. And what is on टू फंक्शन कौन से होते हैं जिसमें को डोमेन के हर एक एलिमेंट की प्री इमेज एग्जिस्ट करती हो डोमेन सेट के अंदर. तो कोई भी एलिमेंट को डोमेन का एम्प्टी या ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए इसका कोई भी प्री इमेज ना हो. सभी एलिमेंट से एरो ए सेट पे कनेक्ट होने चाहिए. तो वी विल चेक cos x plus 2 is 1 1 on 2 or not. If we given input in x and we are getting unique output, then we will say it is a 1 1 function. For example, if we are putting x is equals to 0 in the function fx, f of 0, cos 0 plus 2 means cos 2. So we are getting answer at x equal to 0, cos 2. We are putting another value cos x is equals to 2 pi. We are putting another value of x 2 pi, f of 2 pi, cos 2 pi plus 2. What is cos 2 pi plus 2? As you all know, 0, 2 pi is the same axis, pi by 2, and here it is pi and 3 pi by 2. Pi axis and 2 pi axis do not change the function, and 2 pi plus 2 comes under in the first quadrant. Okay, so it will be positive first, and cos function will remain cos function, so it is equals to cos 2. So we have two different input 0 and 2 pi, and we have same output. So how we can understand with the diagram? 0 2 pi, and output is cos 2. For 0 we have cos 2 as input, output 2 pi, cos 2 as output. So this function is not 1 1. Many input having common output, many to one function. So this function does not qualify the bijectiveness. That means this function cannot be find f inverse. We cannot find inverse of cos x plus 2. This because this is not a bijective function, not a 1 1 function. For bijective 1 1, if it is 1 1, then we should check onto also, but it is failed at the 1 1 itself, so we will not check onto, because if it is not 1 1, this will cannot be a bijective. Okay.